To create a custom mode on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, first you need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down and select modes. Now create your own mode right here with the plus button and go for a custom one. This allows you to pick a different icon for the mode and you can also rename it. Now when we have it, we can click on done and adjust the settings right here. We have a schedule. If you click on a schedule and set one of them, for example, date and time, and we can adjust when it starts, when it ends, specific days of the week that will work, and if the alarms can override the end time. So you can customize it however you like, and then it will toggle automatically. This mode will enable itself on this specific schedule. Next thing is notifications filters. You can allow all notifications with one click like that, or if you don't want it, you can adjust certain people from messages and calls that will be able to reach you. For example, only start contact for messages and for calls as well. We can also activate allow repeated callers. If somebody tries to call you multiple times, the call will go through and you'll be able to hear it when it's active. Then there's the apps. So you can select specific apps that will be able to bypass this mode and interrupt you. Then we have alarm and other interruptions, so obviously alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. And lastly, we have display settings, so we can adjust display settings that will work only when the mode is on. So we have display options for filtered notifications. You can manage all of them. I won't be reading everything here, so you can read it if you like, just stop the video. Then there's the grayscale. You can activate it or not, and then it will change your screen to black and white. You can keep the screen dark, disable always on display, dim the wallpaper, or enable the dark mode during this mode being active. And obviously last thing is to turn on the mode manually with this button right there. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.